What if I told you that $100, yes, just $100, could be the most important financial decision of your life? Most people think investing is only for the rich. They think you need thousands of dollars just to get started. But that's completely false in 2026. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to invest your first $100, step by step, even if you've never invested a single dollar in your life. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know more about investing than 80% of Americans. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, let's be real for a second. Nobody teaches us this stuff in school. Most of us grew up thinking a savings account was enough. But here's the hard truth. If your money is just sitting in a bank, inflation is literally eating it alive. In 2026, the average savings account gives you about 0.5% interest. But inflation? That's running at over 3%. Do the math. You're losing money by doing nothing. So let's fix that, starting with just $100. Option number one, and honestly, my favorite, is index funds. An index fund is basically a basket of stocks. When you buy one share of an S&P 500 index fund, you're investing in 500 of America's biggest companies, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, all at once. The best part? You can start with as little as $1 on apps like Fidelity or Schwab. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% per year on average. So your $100 today? In 30 years, with zero extra contributions, it could grow to over $1,700. That's the magic of compound interest. Option 2 is ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Think of ETFs like index funds, but you can buy and sell them like stocks throughout the day. Some popular ones for beginners are VOO, which tracks the S&P 500, and QQQ, which focuses on tech companies. With $100, you can buy a fractional share, meaning you don't need the full price of one share. Apps like Robinhood and Webull let you do this for free with zero commission. Now, if the stock market scares you, totally understandable, here's option 3, a high-yield savings account. Banks like Marcus by Goldman Sachs or Ally Bank are currently offering around 4 to 5% interest per year. That's 10 times better than a regular savings account. Your money is 100% safe and still growing. And option 4, this one people always overlook. Invest in yourself. Use that $100 to buy an online course on budgeting, stocks, or a skill that earns you more money. Platforms like Udemy often have courses for $10 to $15. Warren Buffett himself said that the best investment you can ever make is in your own abilities. So let's recap. With just $100 in 2026, you have 4 powerful options. Number 1, index funds for long-term growth. Number 2, ETFs for flexible investing. Number 3, high-yield savings for zero risk. Number 4, invest in yourself for the highest return. Here's the truth. The best investment is the one you actually start. Don't wait until you have $1,000 or $10,000. Start with what you have, right now, today. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It helps this channel more than you know. And if you want to learn more about building wealth from scratch, subscribe because we drop new videos every week. Comment below, which option are you going to try first? I read every single comment. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and go make that money work for you.